This is the Vitality Big Horse Heli. Contrary to its name, it's not a flying horse, although that could be an interesting concept. Being a coaxial, we find the Big Horse to be extremely stable indoors, and with its 4-channel system, you can have full control of where it goes. Outdoor flight is possible with little to no wind at all. After several crashes, we managed to only break the tailpiece, but being a coaxial, the tailpiece is only there for aesthetic purposes. The Big Horse is a fun helicopter to start off with. It's ideal for beginners and intermediates looking for a stable 4-channel heli. For more information on the Vitality Big Horse, visit xheli.com.